Oh my god. This keyboard is insanely good. Today we're looking at something special. You will meet Adam. Adam's body is hard yet soft. Adam's body flexes. It's beautiful, unlike anything you've ever seen before. Now Adam has lived in a treasure chest, which is obviously where you would keep Adam. But now he's finally out of the chest. I reached out to Boyu, the creator of KBDCraft, who created the Adam, and I asked, could I review your keyboard? It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. I really like where you're going with this. So he did send me the board. No money changed hands. This is a review unit. And I just want to show you what it's all about. I think it's really cool to see new stuff when people in the keyboard scene just tend to build the same thing over and over again. Follow along while we get this built. All right, so that was the build process, and it was kind of challenging to just be able to see the white on white and count the dots on the Lego pieces. Now we're gonna dive into the sound tests. This is all factory settings. Nothing has changed. I haven't modded anything. This is straight up what comes in the box. So yeah, enjoy the sound tests. Let's go. Oh my God. I'm speechless. This keyboard, which is a Lego keyboard, is insanely good. For the price, I think it runs for $99 at the moment. It's incredible. It's absolutely mind-blowing. This feels, looks, and sounds mind-blowing. It's I don't even know what to say. It's just so good. Yeah, wow. You don't get the heavy build quality, obviously, because it's Lego. Yeah, there's a few things I would like to have sorted out here. The typing angle isn't the best for me because it's quite flat. You can get wrist support. They are pretty cool. The wrist supports you can get for this. Well, I wish I was able to to elevate this, but technically I guess I could just put some Lego underneath to get the angle I want. It does come with these pads, which was something that version 1, I think version 1 didn't have that, so it kind of just slid around on the desk, but now these are in. You also notice that there were some white pads that you can put underneath. There's no mod on this keyboard. This is like factory settings. I haven't lubed anything. I haven't done any tape mods. I haven't done anything, and it still sounds and feels absolutely incredible. It's insane. One thing though, maybe it's just that I haven't built Lego in years, but you could see me fumble around in the manual quite a lot to just count the dots on the Lego pieces, because it's really hard to tell how many dots there are when you have white on white and all the pieces are basically the same with just 1 or 2 more dots. So it was quite painful to go through all the steps in the manual. It also comes in gray. I got the gray in the box, as you saw in the unboxing. I'll leave links for this if you want to test it out. There's a few other ones coming in, and I have more stuff on lenses and camera gear and stuff like that. There's a lot of stuff coming in. So yeah, if you like this, just stick around and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.